Hello everybody. So I'm working on my Arduino Uno schematic. This is a clone of the Arduino Uno Rev 3, and I've been filling in a bunch of part numbers. Doing this manually takes a long time when I have to go to the website where I would want to buy my parts. And there's just a lot of work you have to do to type it in manually, copy and paste, and that can cause a lot of errors. And then you have to manually generate the bill of materials. So I wish there was a better way to do it, and luckily there now is. So I want to show you EMA Design Automation's tool here. And this is not a sponsored video. This tool is just too amazing. You can go to OrCAD Capture and then click on Ultralibrarian and Digi-Key and select Open. Now this isn't here by default. You actually need to go to EMA's website, submit your email, and then they'll send you the file. It installs very quickly, but once you've installed it, just go to Ultralibrarian and Digi-Key, open, and there's this little tab, this little window that shows up at the bottom. And directly in the design, you can go into Digi-Key. See, this is the window here. And then you can do your setup, go into your settings, enter your information. See, that's my email and everything. And then for your manufacturer and manufacturer part number, you can select which field is which. So in my case, my list of properties for my parts is, let's see, part number would be the manufacturer part number. And then description would be, whatever it is. So that's really cool. And then you can also select which fields you want to include in this thing. Once that's done, you click save, go back to your BOM, and you can fill in, you can check the status of each of those parts. For these parts, I have my manufacturer part number, or just part number, see? Let me make sure it's not associated with anything, the part number details, update multiple. Yeah, we want to update these because they have the same part number, and then we'll update all of them. See, look at that. They all have the check mark now. We have the check mark there, check mark for these parts with the same part number, and so on. And you get the idea. You can do this with all of your components in your design, and then go ahead and generate your full bill of materials. And they even let you know the minimum order quantity just right here in the tool. Let me show this. And that is just fantastic. So kudos to EMA Design Automation and Digi-Key for doing this. This is very awesome and would save me a lot of time. Even if your parts don't have information in them for the manufacturer part number, this fills it in automatically once you do your search. So that's really cool. You can search directly for the part you're looking for. Okay? You can type in like generic terms, resistor, right? 22K. All right. So now if you want more information on this, you can feel free to email me directly. Leave your comments inside the comment section below. Leave your questions and I'll be happy to answer those questions. This is really cool. Save yourself a whole lot of time, lots of time. Cut your bill of materials creation time in half, and you'll be a lot more productive.